Good morning. Good morning. This was taken, I think, if I can remember, either in Texas or Las Vegas. It's an entry to a hotel. There are points on the outside, points on the inside. It's 11 and 10, 21. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. We have 10. We have nothing on the inside, but we're gonna presume. Look at the ears if you want to look at it. Maybe the cat. I don't know. Inside is the flower of life. Inside the flower of life is the spring waters. Inside it's 2, 4, 6, 8, surrounded by 1. So it's 8. So would you say it's the earth, then the flower, then the universe? There's a passage over here. In the passage is 2 and 2 and 1 and 1. So on the outside, you would count 11 and 11, 22, 23, 24. You would have 26 on the outside. Okay, and on the inside, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. On the inside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, sorry, it's 24 on the outside. Okay, it's 10, and 10 is 20, and 2 is 4. That's 24 on the outside, and it's 11, 11, 22, 23, 24 on the inside, 24, 24. Communication 9 lives with the cat. Then you have 5, and 5 is 10. That calculation is your 34. It is your 6 times 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, 34. That is your DC. So that's the end of that small video. We're going to add on to the video because I don't want to shorten it up here. We have the ER 23. We have R as letter carrying the A sound. Only H and R carry the sound of the A. Now is it ER or AR? We have bigger, biggest. We have beginning, okay, but we don't have beginningist or beginninger. We have the beginner. The beginner, the beginnerist, we don't have. The beginners, we do have. So we add spirit to beginner. Timing, we add 147 onto timing. ING, we add creation onto timing. Timist, timer, we do have. So words we have, words we don't have. In the light, we have a total of 28, 28, red and black. TH, time heaven. Location, birth to the gateway of Alpha Beta. Black and red, 27 and 29. We spoke in an earlier video about how the ace is the 14th card, but the ace is also the 13th card. If we're playing Casino War, 2 starts at 1. Ace ends at actually 13. But in reality, in poker, this would be the 14th card because the A goes in 2 positions. The king would then be the 12, okay, in Casino War, and the queen would be the 11 in Casino War if we did not migrate the numbers. We have 34 and 14, in which we spoke before. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, 14, 1 through 4. 1 in between is 5, and the totality is 24. The in-between is 2. 5 and 2 is your Earth. The in-between is 1.5, and that is your Mars. 1 times 2 times 3, 6 and 6 is 12, equals to 3. 1 plus 2, 1 times 2 equals to 5. So we have now 5 and 3. The multiplication and the addition equals to 34. We have 5, 3, 7, 3, 5, 7 equals to the word gun. 268, what are these calculations? The first president, timing of 4. The last 22 presidents, timing of 4. And the president in between, timing of 4. We should be able to get to 2024 and have 45 presidents. It says we have 45 presidents now, but for position of presidents, we have not reached the fox or the sun. Taken to note that the middle president is the birth, is the sun to the purple skies. What is this? That's right. Grover Cleveland was elected as the 22nd and 24th president. So if I multiply the 24 by 4, okay, it would actually give me 8 more, and we'd be in 2032. So we're going to run through a 3-president cycle during the change. Salt and pepper on the table, 2 links. A round link here and a round link here. We put a bolt in the center, we connect the two. Opposition links. There's a ton of stuff that I've just written down. We've also done yesterday where the single GLE into the double BLE. The difference, the 7-2, the sun, they are the double up. One is half of the other. How is 7 half of 2? This one's double. It's twice as much as 0, but it has 3.5 times the value. That is your energy coming through. Here's another thing that's going to be on roulette. We're going to leave it to the next video. I'm just going to say it real quick, that on one roulette wheel you have 38 numbers, 36 plus 2. If you win every single roll, you will lose 3 chips for every single roll. When all 38 numbers have come in, you have lost the 3 little pigs. In the 37 number, you will lose 2 for every roll because you collect 35 every time you throw out 37. And that is Jesus and the 3 little pigs. Single 0, 64, plus the word single 66. 6 and 6 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3. We have AM. The double 0 equals to 59. So we now have 24. We have the cat and the AM world, or AC world if you want to call it. AC runs in DC. I'm not sure how the whole thing works. We're going to leave it at that. Blue and red create purple, the number 88, which gets us to number 10. Riding on a horse, the back of a horse. The 10 horse has a split color of red and blue. I like to look up games that are concrete with odds, and all these odds are going to give us some more information. Single also tells us 19. It looks like 51 Mars. It looks like 19 the Spirit S. And 9, 28 Time Heaven. 42, 49, 59, 66 means woman, but they made a bypass to Interstate 80 for Route 66. So they have the 80 and the 40, which is your Pluto bypass to 3 creation in the steeples of the church. Raphael 72, 86 in the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.